In this video, I will show you exactly how to install privacy slats into a chain link fence, and we are going to use 3 different styles of slats in 3 different colors. As you'll see behind me, we built a 15-foot mock fence where every 5 feet we change the color of the fence. We're going to start with 5 feet of black, then 5 feet of green, then 5 feet of galvanized. Here we have the SoliTube slats. As you'll see, the sides stick out a little bit, and I find that this one offers the most amount of privacy. To begin the installation, you're going to insert the bottom lock horizontally across the bottom of the fence. Now the installation of the privacy slats is real simple. You're going to manually insert the slats through the diamonds in the chain link, and then once you get to the bottom, you want to make sure it locks into that horizontal locking strip at the bottom. Locking the slats into the bottom strip required a little bit of encouragement, but this step is necessary because that bottom strip will prevent these slats from sagging over time. Now we're going to move on to our green section, and here we have a different style of slat. So for the green, we are installing a ridge slat or an M slat. We're going to start simply, once again, by putting the bottom strip along the bottom of the fence horizontally. Now we're going to slide these slats in the same way. What makes these slats different than the ones we did for the black fence is the decorative M shape. This is the nice ridge shape. The ridge adds a good amount of depth to the privacy slat. I think it looks really nice. However, keep in mind that it doesn't offer as much privacy. The spaces between the slats are a little bit bigger than the ones we just installed previously, but if you do like that design element of having the ridge, these are really attractive looking slats. Now a little pro tip for you guys, if it's a hot summer day and you're really struggling to get those slats in there, we use simply a bucket of soapy water to lubricate the slats. You can simply let your slats sit in the bucket and they'll go into the fence a lot easier. So I would say in terms of ease, the ridge slats have a slight edge over the SoliTube slats. All right, so we've completed the black with the SoliTube slats. We completed the green with the ridged or M slats. Now we're going to do the galvanized with our tube slats. The install process is going to be exactly the same. We're going to start with the bottom horizontal strip, then we're going to begin inserting the slats. Now the tube slats have a very simple design. They have nice rounded edges. So now, as you see, if you have an existing chain link fence on your property, but you want privacy, you don't have to take down your fence and put up a new one. You can simply order these slats and get them shipped directly to you. We recently partnered with a manufacturer that ships these nationwide. So if you're interested in having these sent to you, simply text or call me at the number here. My name's Alex. I'd be happy to help you. Now let's go through these slats over here. If you are looking for the most modern and most private option, I personally love the black wire with the black SoliTube slats. This is my personal favorite. It maximizes privacy and has a super modern aesthetic. Now keep in mind, we installed these 3 combinations, but you can mix and match colors. You can order different color slats, put them in different color wires. That is totally up to you. This is just the way we decided to demonstrate it for this video. Now let's move on to the ridged or M slats. Now as you'll see, the spaces between each slat are slightly larger than on the SoliTube slats, but they do have that depth of the ridge. So if that's a design element that you particularly like, these slats are awesome for you. But if you want to maximize privacy, I would still stick with the SoliTube slats. Now we're going to take a look at the tube slats. This is the simplest design out of the ones we installed today. So if you're looking for a more minimalistic look, this one is for you. However, note that the spaces between each one of these slats are substantially larger than on the other 2. So if maximum privacy is your goal, I wouldn't recommend these. But if you want the most simple of the 3 slat designs, the most minimal look, then these are for you.
If you're shopping for privacy slats online, the biggest things to get right are the style, the color match, and the correct quantity for your fence. Getting any of those wrong can turn a simple project into a headache. That's why we help people with the sizing, the options, and the ordering process so everything shows up exactly the way it should. If you want help pricing out your own fence or ordering these exact slats, just reach out and we'll take care of it from start to finish. Hopefully this gave you a clear, real-world look at how these slats install and what each option actually looks like on the fence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.